Africa is the organization put together by all our presidents that are present in the AU, created this organization to digitize the African continent. And so Smart Africa has the mandate to put together everything that is necessary for the digitization of the African continent towards the enablement of the single African market.
It's been quite a busy week. Beginning in 2022, we developed a data governance blueprint based on the recommendations that came from the African Union Data Policy Framework. And from then onwards, we have supported 2 countries so far to develop their own national data strategies.
This blueprint highlighted clear, pragmatic strategies, model licenses, standards and tools that African governments can use or adopt for data governance.
In the field of digital transformation. So the African Union adopted the Digital Transformation Strategy for Africa 2020-2030 and the EU Data Policy Framework, which sets out the vision to build a digital single market on the continent, in line also with the Africa Continental Free Trade Area.
So thank you so much. Thank you for the government of Ghana in developing this national data strategy. With the support of Smart Africa and Data Pop Alliance, we as GSZ are here to support its long-term implementation.